So I'd like to cover the Qomo product just to start out with this. So there are two things we're dealing with, the physical hardware as well as the actual software. So the hardware are the 19-inch displays that are pen sensitive and have a pen, basically we could call them pen tablets. And the software is called Flowworks. And the product is made by Qomo Height Vision. So I'm going to start by going to Qomo's website, and it's qomo.com. Very easy, or just Google Qomo. And that will take us to a list of their products. So if you'd like to read up any more on the kind of things they do, they have some cool other tools that compete with the smart boards and others. And the software can actually be used with any other pointing device. So we can go right here to interactive displays, or we could go through products. And you see they have a portable tablet, which is pretty neat, a 17-inch interactive display, and a 19-inch interactive panel. So we can click on the 19-inch to see a little bit more about that. And there you have it with a description and read up on specifications. If we look under documents here, you'll see there's a manual to that. And we shouldn't really need that other than for calibration. So just remember, when you first go to the Qomo machine, you want to calibrate so it knows where the pen touch points are. And usually that's in your start menu right under Qomo and calibrate. If not, just let your tech support people know. That's going to vary based on each installation and the particular hardware you're using. So I'm going to go back one, and it's the Flowworks software that we'll be addressing mostly here. And you can click on that link, and it describes the software. And it also includes here at the bottom the two expansion packs. So Flow Expansion Pack 1 and 2, which includes a lot of additional sample files and files that you can use in your work. And we'll get into that a little bit later. In addition, if you click on Documents on this tab here, you'll see that we have two manuals, one for Mac and one for PC. So I'm going to go ahead and launch this, the Windows version, so you can see the manual we're going to be referring to. You may already have a printed copy of this. If not, you're of course welcome to print it or save a copy yourself. And you'll know you're in the right place when you have a 23-page document that has this Qomo Height Vision logo, and it's a little bit blurry. And unfortunately, it does not mention a particular software version, but it is copyright 2008. And it's referring, I believe, to version 2.1. So if you have anything other than that, please let me know. But that appears to be the latest version, and that's what we've gotten, as of this recording from the Qomo representatives. So I'd suggest saving this to your desktop or to where you keep your files, and we will refer back to this, and I'd like you to be able to refer back to it. So in summary, we went to Qomo.com, we looked at products, and we found the link to the software, add-in packs, and the instructions. The software itself should be installed on your system. If not, the disks were provided with the hardware, and you should talk to your IT folks because they have the installation guide. If for any reason you need it, in addition to that, your Qomo sales reps should be very helpful with that, because after all, they would like to see more Qomo displays in your school. So next we are going to go ahead and launch the software and get into using that in our next tutorial.